Hey guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Hey, it's Christmas time, and I know everyone last minute's looking for a stocking stuffer or a quick gift to give to your man or special person. Today, I have the Milwaukee 9-in-1 ratchet. Really neat gift, less than 20 bucks, something that you ought to consider. So without further ado, let me take it out of the package and show you what you get. Okay, it's out of the package. Now I can show you the little 9 features that come with this. First, it's got the Milwaukee logo here on it. It's got the Milwaukee tool number, item number 48222322. That's the model number of this. Nice rubber grip, big fat handle, makes great for, gives you some extra torque there. Comes with 7 bits, okay? And they're extended. And here's the neat thing. And I know this is Roby, so don't give me any crap. I don't have a Milwaukee impact driver to show you this on, so I'm going to have to use my, you can use it in your power tools too. So the bits not only fit the hand ratchet, but they fit any 1/4 inch ratchet impact driver. Okay, so some of the features here. Right here in the middle, as you can see, there's a little arrow there. And if it's on the straight line, then you have a solid locked in position. Then you have the ratchet one direction or the ratchet the other direction. Now the real neat thing, it took me a minute to figure out how these bits were to come out, but as you can see, I have them all out there so you can take them out, and they're all extended with Milwaukee's logo name on them. So nice bits. So just to let you know what you get, when you get through with those, you're supposed to push them in all the way, just like this. And you can see how it locks them in place there too. What you get with this is you get a number 1 and a number 2 Phillips, which is right here. You also get a 1, 2, and 3 square bit. So there's your 1, 2, and 3. And then you get a 3/16 and a 1/4 inch flat blade. So that's what you get. This, like I said, very well made. You can tell, you know, Milwaukee's quality here. The ratchet's really good. It's not cheap or janky. I've had some of these before. Milwaukee, I think you hit a home run with this one. So guys, like I said, if you're thinking of something for a stocking stuffer or a last minute gift for your man or best friend, or you know, whoever you want to give it to, check this Milwaukee ratchet out with the 9-in-1 bits, the ratchet, the locks, the rubber hand. Way to go, Milwaukee, you did a good job. Hey guys and girls, I hope the video was helpful for you. If it was, just hit the like button. It really helps me. It's Christmas time. Share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.